Welcome to my town map. This is a map of the town called Gritland. In this town, it's a pretty big town. It has a river going pretty much right through the middle of town called Integrity River. Some businesses in town are on one side of the river. This side includes the farmland. There's also businesses like grocery stores, restaurants, which are labeled with the letter R. There are residential areas, which are symbolized by these little houses. And some of the services on this side are the schools. We have Grit Elementary School, Grit Middle School, and the Grit High School. We also have the community field, which would have some services for the schools, but it would also have some recreational spaces. So this might have basketball courts, baseball field, maybe a track for running, and we also have the hospital on this side and the fire and police station. On the other side of the river, we also have more businesses, services, and recreation. Some of the big businesses here are a wood mill and factory on this area. We have a shopping mall in this corner near a movie theater, a few restaurants and hotels, and then these are some big stores. I didn't label them specific businesses, but you know how sometimes we have bigger stores that are all one store, like a Walmart, or maybe it's Home Depot or something like that. There's a gas station here. There's a gas station on the other side too. There's a airport for the town of Gritland, and this dotted line represents the train tracks. So there is a train that provides rides from Gritland to all of the other nearby towns. The flowers here are some public parks. Those would be recreational spaces as well. So you can imagine what you might have in a public park. Some of them might have playgrounds, some of them might just have nice outside picnic tables and seating areas, places for small groups of people to have outdoor activities. And that's pretty much it for my town of Gritland. I'm excited to see what you guys have for your project.